It's Friday right now. We arrived last Saturday at Riu Cabo Verde in SAL Island, one of the Cape Verde Islands. Had a brilliant week so far. Done all sorts, eating in a la carte restaurants, been to the buffet quite a lot. I'm just going to go through how it's been and what we've done. It all started last Saturday morning when we got up at 4:30 to get the early morning flight from Manchester to SAL, Cape Verde. We parked in a jet parks in Manchester and headed to the terminal. We chilled out in the airport for quite a while until they boarded the flight, had some breakfast. It was a brilliant flight, no turbulence, no anything. Just short of 6 hours, the flight was on time. As we was flying past Tenerife, the pilots mentioned to look out the window because you could see the Mount Teide in Tenerife. Really clear day, it's a brilliant sight. And when we landed in SAL, quite a small airport, there was a few planes already in, but we were the only flight that had just landed. We all went through, and by the time we'd gone through immigration, our bags were already there. Everyone then got on your coaches. This is by TUI, by the way. We booked it for the TUI operator. The TUI coach took you to your hotel. Then when we got to the hotel, the receptionist asked me, "Have you got a good memory? Can you remember faces?" So I goes, "Yeah, I do. I do have a good memory, thanks." "That's good. You've not got a mirror in your room." That's just a joke. I've been listening to Billy Connolly's audiobook all week. So I've got an inner monologue of Billy Connolly at the moment. It's really funny. I'd recommend it. A top tip. As soon as we checked in, the receptionist asked us to download the Riu app. There was a QR code at reception. This lets you access the restaurants and your bookings, as well as being able to see the menus for all the restaurants. You can see show times, see what's going on, and the classes and daytime activities. When we got to our room, we were pleasantly surprised. Quite a decent size. We had 2 big single beds put together, nice shower, separate toilet, and I'll show you the room tour now. Here's a room tour of the Riu Cabo Verde. As soon as you walk in, on the right hand side you've got a nice flat screen TV, 6-drawer storage, European plug sockets, got a balcony and a couple of chairs similar to a dry swimwear. Not the best view, you can see a bit of the walkway we just walked in on. Nice sofa. So twin beds. Reading lights. That's good. Some USBs right next to the bed. And the switches for the lights. All looks very clean. Very modern looking. Recently been done. Air conditioning feels good. Double sinks. This is the hand soap they give you. Again, there's another European plug here, so you'll be able to use hair dryers in the bathroom, although there is already one provided.
the shower with a rainfall shower head. Nice tiles. Marbly effect. There's just your usual toilet. Close that, because this is a sliding closet. You get plenty of coat hangers there on both sides. Blankets and a safe. More storage. You get a stocked fridge. This is all complimentary and restocked every day. Currently, Coke, water, Fanta, Sprite and beer. Bit of space to put other stuff. Massive tea selection. Coffee and whatnot. It's good that you've got a real kettle. Couple of waters and some optics. Rum, vodka, and a couple of others there. So, all in all, very nice room.
In the welcome meeting, what we had at 10:30 the next day, the TUI rep mentioned about a walk that they do with a TUI guide into Santa Maria, the nearby fishing village. This was on Tuesdays and Thursdays. We did that on Tuesday just gone, and it was such a pleasant place. Took about 40 minutes on a gentle stroll, walking from the hotel through to the centre of Santa Maria. There's lots of bars and restaurants. The beach is a green flag beach, so you can go in the water and swim. Just where we are now at the Cabo Verde and the Funana, it's usually red flag, quite high waves. The beaches all over are spectacular. I would definitely recommend going to visit Santa Maria. There's lots of restaurants, tons of choice. Beers tend to cost between €4 and €5, so not too bad. The pools are great. Two big pools, one in the Cabo Verde and one in the Funana. They're large, very large. Both have got pool bars, offering all the cocktails you can imagine, beer, all soft drinks, as well as the entertainment. There's lots of fun and games going on at the pool. You can be doing pool volleyball. You can run along large foam mattresses, as you can see myself and my wife did. There's lots of poolside games as well, such as darts, the beanbag toss, yoga. There's a daily fitness class at 12 p.m. every day. Lasts for about half an hour in the pool. The rep gets you going, gets you active, gets you off your sun lounges. Just a short walk, just past the left side of the Funana pool, there's a shared water park, shared with the Riu Palace, the Riu Funana and the Cabo Verde hotels. This water park, it must have about 10 water slides, and there's a kids area as well for the small ones that can enjoy. Next, onto the restaurants. Food, the massive part of our holiday. Such good food. Breakfast and lunches are in the promenade, a ginormous buffet. Choices are phenomenal. You can either eat there or by the pool. They've got a nice poolside restaurant. The poolside restaurant also doubles as the steakhouse on an evening. It's the Santa Maria Steakhouse. That's been our favourite so far. We've eaten there on Sunday last week, and we're going again tonight, Friday. Two more of the a la carte restaurants. The Sophia, an Italian style restaurant, and a culinarium. The nighttime shows have been great. The entertainment team have kept us entertained throughout. Different shows, dancing, circus type show with acrobats, and as well as fighting. And the nightclub, that was great too. And some live music. Every Friday there's a show and a party. Tonight is the white party. And next Friday is the neon party. They alternate between each other. So we're looking forward to that tonight. The bars are great. Lots of choices. The regular beer is okay. Here's a QR code so you can have a look at the menu. There's also the cappuccino. It's a coffee house. There's all your lattes, cappuccinos, iced coffees, as well as different teas. It's got lots of nice desserts in there as well. Just have a look, it's just there.
So, our week has come to an end. It's been a great time. Only regret we've got is it's too short. I definitely recommend coming here for longer than a week. 10 days to 2 weeks would be perfect. I'd find it hard to compare this to anything in Europe. Closest comparisons I could see would be the Caribbean or Egypt. The place is vast, split over 3 Riu hotels, 2 of which we can use, the Cabo Verde and the Funana. If you're stopping in the Funana, you cannot visit the Cabo Verde, but we had choices for all. Plenty of pools, lovely weather. The weather has been sunny all week, 30 degrees, and it's April now, so it's perfect for sunbathing. Just yesterday, our beach had an orange flag, so you could go out into the sea at our location. Over at Santa Maria, it's a green flag, that's a 20-minute walk away. Overall, we had a brilliant time. We would definitely come back again. The food, the staff, the entertainment, everything has been fantastic. I'd say it's half the price of a Caribbean holiday, 6 hours from the UK. What's not to like? you'd also like to check out some of my other videos, I did a 360-degree virtual tour of the Cabo Verde and Funana resorts. So just click on like and subscribe, go and check out my videos, and I hope you have a great holiday. Thanks for watching.